Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting with the essentials: power, account, and space. First, plug the headset into power and charge to at least 50% so firmware updates won't interrupt. Next, install the Oculus app on your phone and sign in or create an account. This links device settings and purchases. Finally, clear a roughly 6 by 6 foot area and remove tripping hazards so you can set the Guardian safely. Once done, power on the headset and follow the on-screen prompts to pair controllers and begin setup. Now you refine fit, controls, and tracking. Put the headset on and adjust the head strap so it's snug but comfortable. Use the IPD slider to match your interpupillary distance until the image is sharp, because correct alignment reduces motion sickness. Pair each controller in the headset or app and insert fresh batteries if required. Then run the Guardian calibration to map your play area and do a quick room scale test. Check that controllers track across the whole space so interactions remain precise and reliable. You're ready to launch apps and fine-tune. Open Oculus Home, complete the built-in tutorial to learn controls, then download a free demo to test visuals and comfort. Make sure firmware and the mobile app are up to date. If you hit glitches, restart the headset after updates to apply changes. If tracking or image quality degrades, rerun Guardian setup, wipe lenses and external sensors with a microfiber cloth, and reduce reflective surfaces or bright lights. That last troubleshooting step usually fixes most tracking problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.